Morning, everybody. It's April 18th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your Morning T.A. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index is at 24 from yesterday's 28. Bitcoin dominance is 41.7%. 24-hour volume is 63 billion. Heartbreakingly low. Almost seems wrong, maybe. And the overall market cap is 1.77 trillion. Give or take 100 million. G minor 7th over C bass is an ambulance-chasing lawyer, a contrarian by nature. Decided to make it a profession, why not? I'm standing up for the little guy, he'd say, in all his 5'4"ness. Spends all his free time in his basement DJing his own drum and bass and deep house remixes. Well, we talked about this, so it should have come as no surprise to anybody who watched Friday's video. Yesterday's rejection, subsequent dump, has started to carve out the right shoulder of the hidden shoulders pattern. Good old Mr. Clean. But pianomattyb, where can we expect this pattern to play out? Oh, you take the ball, you slide it all, the breakup point, and then we're all at 38.2-ish. Shut your mouth. And well, breaking good old Mr. Clean's neckline, we dip down to 38.5 before bouncing back up to 38.9. A time of production. Now it's the humble opinion of this piano that we may see more downward pressure, but we may get a Hail Mary Monday morning market pump from the drain circling legacy zombie markets when they open. But barring that, we may see some continued bearish pressure. There is in the faint distance the slight roar of Bellissimo, the god of bullish thunder, throwing a couple lightning bolts of bullish divergence on both the MACD and the RSI, with price action making lower lows, while the MACD and the RSI have made higher lows. That, my friends, is old school reversal bullish divergence, and we can log that as two bullish feathers in Bellissimo's hat. Now over on the daily, this dump has broken us to the dark side of old Swissy. Now there was a time not so long ago when old Swissy's dad, the original Swissy, was right here, and we broke up and out right here and had this pump. Now if we extend the OG Swissy's resistance line, we create this descending channel line of support, which would act as and give us support as well. If, and I say if, we continue down on the sunless side of our current Swissy at 37.6, on our way down to that 36K level we were talking about last week.
Oh, that which once wicked will get candlestick.
Ah, yes, the angelic voices of the children's enchanted wick choir. The heavens to Murgatroyd, drawing a line from said wicks, will be confluent with that 36K level as well. Doesn't mean she's gots to, just means there's some data that's indicating she might. Like I said, there still is the Hail Mary Monday open, with the drain circling legacy zombie markets that can turn it all around and send us back up My safe word price action would be 41.2, or the sunny side of old Swissy. That's the level I would start wiping my brow and saying, phew. Until then, we're just gonna have to wait and see. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, Make sure you like and subscribe.